Do you enjoy visiting museums?
Or do you want to talk about museums in English?
Today, we'll learn simple English for visiting a museum.
Let's explore together.
Hi, have you ever visited this museum before?
No, this is my first time.
Welcome. There are many interesting things to see here.
That's great. What should we see first?
Let's start with the History Gallery.
Wow, these old paintings are beautiful.
Yes, they are over 100 years old.
Really? That's amazing.
Do you like history?
Yes, I enjoy learning about the past.
Me too. Look at this dinosaur skeleton.
It's huge. I've never seen one like this before.
Let's take some pictures.
Good idea. But first, let's check if photography is allowed.
You're right. The sign says photos are allowed without flash.
Perfect. I'll take a few pictures.
Which part of the museum do you like the most?
I like the science section. It's very interesting.
I like the ancient history section.
We learned many new things today.
Yes, visiting museums is always fun and educational. Have you ever had a funny experience at a museum?
Yes, I stood very still beside a statue.
What happened?
Some visitors thought I was another statue.
That's really funny. What's your favorite museum or historical place?
Tell us in the comments below.